Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here with some super comfy slippers. I love to have good slippers in the winter, and these by Shishi Tiao are so cute and so comfy and so fluffy. I really love how much give is in the sole, so they're very cushiony and can form to my foot very well. I love the sweater material. It just looks so cozy, especially now that it's cold and snowy where we live, and the fur around my foot feels so comfortable. I do not like wearing socks around the house, but my feet get cold, and that is why I love a good pair of slippers. These are great because they're slip-ons, and I can just slip them on and off as I need them. They fit very true to size, and I love that the bottom's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about my feet getting wet in case somebody spilled a little bit of water on the floor. Another super great thing about these slippers is that they are machine washable, so you can just toss them into the washing machine. These would make a great gift for your loved ones because who doesn't love a nice new pair of fuzzy slippers? So if you want some super comfy, toasty feet this winter, I highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.